If you've ever wondered what it's like behind the scenes at KaVo, let me show you in a little room tour. Thank you very much, dear Diana, for refreshing my makeup. Now let's go straight into the interview. This is our studio with great high-quality equipment. Here's the lighting, and there's our professional camerawoman, Corina. Hi there! And now I'm joining Barbara for the interview. And so sorry I'm a bit late, my apologies.
No problem, nice to have you here.
We're going to talk about a new product today, but we won't tell you yet what it is. A very nice touch is that we can edit our videos right here at the editing suite. And that's Anna Maria's job. Hi, what are you up to right now?
I'm already editing your video from earlier, so we can put it online right away.
That's definitely pretty quick. Thank you very much for that. Behind me at the photo shooting table, that's Edwin. Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing right now?
I'm taking high-resolution photos for catalogs and online campaigns.
Then I wish you a steady hand and we'll continue to the showroom. This is where our online training sessions are taking place with Jens and Tanya. I don't want to interrupt any further, so that means we've reached the end of our room tour. It was great that you could join us today. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!